Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about first derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We put about natural law for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. Next, we need to transform this one into this one, and this one that should be like this, and this one that should be like this. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. In this one, we can apply the formula in here. We need to do first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. This is about the product rule of derivative. And now that should be like this. Next, first derivative of sine x, we have cosine x. This one, we have first derivative of y over y. This one, we have first derivative of y. This one, we have 1 over x. Next, I will put this one go to the left, and this one go to the right. Next, first derivative of y we can do about factorization. Next, we divide both sides by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.